Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raja and I'll be teaching you the first course of the Arabic language. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is hello in Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. So first we're going to start learning about the Arabic alphabet. Al-Huruf Al-Arabiya. Al-Huruf Al-Arabiya. The first thing you have to know about the Arabic language is that it's written from right to left. From right to left. So whatever you're going to write from now on, in Arabic, it has to start from this direction. And you go on. So we're going to learn about the first Alif. Alif. Sound in English. Alif. 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 I'm going to write it one more time so you can see how I'm tracing it. Alif. 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 The second letter is B. 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 It's like a little boat shape. B. B. I start from here, then I go, trace it, and then just curve it at the end with one dot. B. B. And that's similar to the sound B. B in English. So B. 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 I'm going to write it one more time here. B. B. Let's write it another time. B. B. And then T. 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 Same shape as B, but with two dots. T. And it's the letter T in English. T. 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 Let's write it again. T. Watch, I'm going to write it slowly. T. T. Then we have Th. With three dots. Th. Th. In English, you would refer to this as TH, just like in the word think, or thought. Th. Th. So it's Th. 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 See how I'm starting from right to left. Th. Th. I have to start Jim. See how I'm doing it? Jim. Jim. And then we have Ha. 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 Same shape as Jim, except this one does not have the dot. Ha. Ha. There is no equivalent sound to it in English, but we have the ha, ha, ha. So I'm going to refer to it as H, and this is ha, ha, ha. I'm going to put a cross right here because there's no equivalent sound to it in English. I'm going to write it again. Ha. Same shape as Jim. I start from here, then I go down to the line, then I put a curve. Ha. Ha. And then we've got Ho. Ho. Same shape as Jim and Ha, but with a dot on top of it. Ho. Ho. I would refer to it as KH. We don't have it in English. There's no equivalent sound to it. Kh, kh. So I'm going to write it again. Kh, kh. Same shape. Kh, kh, kh. Kh, kh, kh. It's a hard sound, but it exists in other languages. Except English, you might not find an equivalent word that starts with a kh. Jim, ha, kh. And then we got dal. Dal. I'm going to pull up the paper a little bit. Dal. And that's similar to D. D, 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 dal. 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 So I'm going to write it again. See? So it's shorter than the alifs. Da. Da. Dal. Dal. And then we have the exact same shape, and that's a dal with a dot. Same as del, but it's dal. Dal. And I'm going to refer to it as TH because there is an equivalent sound to it in English, and it's like in this and that, this and that. So this is the same sound of the dal. I'm going to write it again. The. Same shape as the dal. 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 And then we have ra. Ra. Like R. R. Ra. 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 And you start from the line and you curve, you go down and you curve it. So I'm going to write it again. Ra. Ra. And ra. Okay? There is another letter but with a dot. Exact same shape as ra. Zeen, and you can refer to it as Z. Zeen. As in the word zoo. Zeen. Same way. You go, start from top and you go down. Start from top. These are only the first half of the alphabet. So we're just going to see the shapes of each one of them. Then we're going to move to part 2 of the alphabet. So we're going to do Alif. I'm going to write it big this time. Watch how I'm doing it. Alif. 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 And then I'm going to do Ba. Watch how I start. From the top, and I go down, straight, and then curve it up again. One dot. Ba. 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 Alif. Ba. Alif. Ba. Watch how I'm writing the ta. 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 Tha. 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 So I'm going to push this down a little bit so you can see how the ba and the ta and the tha have the same shape. The same shape. Alif, ba, ta, tha. Okay? So now let's do the Jim. Watch how I'm starting. I start from here, then go up, make a curve, go down the line, and then go again, make a little half circle, and put the dot in here. Jim, Jim. You see how this goes? So I'm going to highlight it. Or I'll just show you how you could do it all over again, but in right here. You go this way, and you go that, and you curve all the way here, and you put the dot.